Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to make easy logo in Adobe Illustrator. So first select this star tool and make this star with shift key. Now select the move tool and set it in the middle. Now select the direct selection tool and select the middle corners of star. And click on this option like this. Now select the move tool and select all the corners of star and select this option, and you can select this second option in this panel. Now select this corner of star and fill the stroke in all the corners of star. Like this. Now select all the corners of star and select the stroke in 9% and click on this stroke panel and round all the caps and corners and select the dashed line like this, and you can also select these with your arrow keys. Now group all the corners of a star . Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform . Now set the scale horizontal 85% and scale vertical also 85%. And select the copies with your arrow keys. Click your up arrow key and you can see the stars. Now press OK. Now your star logo is ready. So if you like this short tutorial, so don't forget to like and share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.